In the past month, I pulled nearly 200 social media audits, and here's my biggest advice for you in 2024.
Welcome to The Source.
I've been saying it for months, but 2024 is the year of social media. We saw social media drive business last year, and it's only going to become more important for you as a real estate agent this year. So here are the 2 types of content that you absolutely have to take advantage of in 2024. Number 1, visual first. If you really want to grab the attention of your sphere and beyond on social media, you have to lean into visuals. Leave those text-filled posts behind and lean into content that really shows the picture. High-quality photos and eye-catching visuals are helping people stop, look, and engage in content now more than ever. So that means think about how you can simplify your message and add it to your caption. Number 2, value with your voice. What does that really mean? Content that has you speaking and showcasing your value is crucial to your business this year. How can you share stories, knowledge, and your value through video content? This helps prospective clients get to know you, see you as a resource, and connect with you through their phones. So if you're seeing low engagement or feeling stuck in your content, give one of these a try this year.
And that's all for this month on The Source.